So hey guys, I just got home from the city and I received a new package today. So I want to show all of you what the items looks like. So here it is. I already opened it and the package comes from the China. It's a overseas package. So it has 8 items. So all of it, it's all sexy lingerie, and I am going to upload a new content in Patreon. So if you are interested, you can visit my Patreon as well, because you can see exclusive content there in Patreon that is not that you can see here in my YouTube channel. So here it is. So let's check the item if there is no damage on it. So the first item is stocking, and it's color white. So this is what it looks like. So here it is, the stocking. It's a fishnet stocking and it's color white. So I am going to try it on. I am going to try it on. I am planning to try it on my Patreon site. So the second item is the color black. By the way guys, I ordered it on the online store in Shopee. So it's what's this? Oh my gosh, it's super sexy because it's a see-through, and the design is so very unique. I need to figure out how to wear it. So this is what it looks like. So very sexy. So there is no damage. There's no damage with it, but it's so very see-through. So the third item is color pink. So let's take a look. It's what it looks like. Oh, here it is. Wow, it's so nice. Look, the design of it is so very unique, and it's so very sexy as well because it has it's small. This has it has so many holes in the dress. So it's a very it's a small size, but it's stretchable. As you can see, it's stretchable, and I love the color of it, and the design is very unique. The next item is a color purple. Let's take a look at what it looks like. So this is what it looks like. It's very sexy lingerie as well, and it's a see-through. It's a lace lingerie, as you can see. So very sexy as well. So the next item is it's color red.
Wow.
So let's take a look. this is what it looks like. It's a see-through, a lace lingerie, and it's a open crotch here and the bottom. So the next item, I guess it's a body stocking. So it's a body stocking. So this is what it looks like. It's super stretchable, as you can see. So the other item is a body stocking as well. So it's stretchable, and this is what it looks like. Super nice design and very unique. I am so excited to wear it. So the other, the last but not the least, it's color white. So this is what it looks like. Wow, it's so very nice. I love that design, and it's so very nice. So lovely design because it has some decoration in the metal. My gosh, you can really see the sexy side of me in this sexy lingerie. Oh my gosh, and it has a bow on the back. Oh my gosh, I really love it. So excited that I'm going to try it on. Are you excited? I am excited as well. It's very nice, and all the items that I ordered are complete, so I am so very satisfied to the seller. Thank you so much to the seller. And by the way, I bought all of these items from my own money. This is not a sponsored video. I just ordered it to the online store because I thought that all of you will going to like this lingerie. So just visit my Patreon for more exclusive content. Okay, so all of the items are in a good condition. So I am going to try one of this item, so just keep on watching. So what item do you want to see? What do you want? You can choose if you want. Just comment down below. So, going to put it again in this cellophane. So, I'm going to try it on. So, in 3, 2, 1. Guys, I decided to try the stocking. So, here is what it looks like. So, I am wearing a brand tie crop top. So, and a white short. So, I am a white lady right now. So, what do you think of my outfit? Is it suits me or not? for today's video, guys. So thank you so much for watching, and till my next video. Love you all.